something will connect you this year to click that subscribe button. Something would connect you to share my videos. Hey Gachim lovers. Hey dolls, how you guys doing? Hey, welcome back to my channel. I ain't seen you guys since last year, honeys. Where have you been? What have you been doing? Why didn't you subscribe yet? Why? But anyways, guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you have been here and been rocking with your girl, I just want to say thank you, loves. Oh, thank you. If you comment, thank you. If you don't comment. If you haven't been on this channel, I bet you like, what kind of crazy get this? So, yeah, not crazy. But anyways, loves, I just want to jump right into this video. You know, this bubble ponytail that been going around. People do it high up, people do it slick in the back. I rock it slick in the back. Everybody loved it and ran it. So I'm coming to you guys with this video today, honeys. I want to show you guys the easiest way to get this ponytail done, even if you don't know how to do hair. Yes, anyways, guys, I'm gonna insert a video like up here and show you guys that I rock this ponytail. Yes, anyways, guys, I'm about to show you guys real quick. I got my hair perm, which the clip is right here. I got it relaxed after like over a year, and I will come to you guys with how I got my hair to grow back. My girlfriend was like, why didn't you do a video when your hair was messed up? I'm like, I don't know. I don't be thinking. I be getting into this chemist and be remixing in the lab. I don't be thinking on doing a before and after. But guys, if you see me on my Instagram, you ain't see me with a ponytail in like forever, because my hair, I had no edges, I had dandruff all over my hair. But I gotta chit chat with this whole stuff in another video where I show you guys how I got this hair to grow thicker and natural. And then I got it relaxed till it. And I have no makeup on, guys. Your girl came out with a skincare product. Your girl came out with a clothing. My forever store is up and running. Okay, guys. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and you name it all, I'm there. So yes, you guys, let me jump right into this. So just get to your local beauty supply store and get a 30-inch. I got the 30-inch. When you're doing the bubbles, you want the hair to be extra long, so that way when you do it, it don't be too short. Because I'm gonna target mine from the top today. I'm not doing it at the bottom like how I had the last time. I'm gonna do it from the back. So I'm not gonna do it from the back. I'm gonna do it from the front. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick how I achieve this whole shenanigans before I put it on my head. Let's go right into getting this ponytail up there so it gets dry before we put. Not it gets dry, but you know what I'm saying. Like let the ponytail be up there before we put the bun. Okay, guys. So what I do with my hair, I just comb it out. Usually I like for my hair to be a little dipped, but I washed my hair last night, and I had a slick ponytail in the back. I was gonna show you guys how to do that slick ponytail, but then I'm like, you know what? This is what's popping right now, and that's what you guys want us to see. So. Especially how you get the bubbles in there. A lot of people don't know how to get the bubbles in there, but it's really, really easy to get the bubbles in there. My hair is washed. I have no oil in my hair. My goodness, up and popping. Okay, so what I'm gonna be using for this ponytail today, guys, will be lot of body, milk, honey, 10 min, 24 edge control. Yo guys, I've been using so many edge controls. This happens to be the best edge control I've ever used in my entire life. Okay, it is so nice. It's almost gone, and it smells so freaking good. Whoever came out, it's called 10 min. Whoever came out with this product, you are a genius, okay? Because all them other hair controls, it leaves your hair flaky. Look at my hair, not one flick, and it keep your hair intact for over 24 days. Okay, and then I go in with my Eco Styling Gel. This one has olive oil in it. I bet you guys, everybody knows Eco Styling Gel, so I don't have to really tell you guys about it. Everybody knows this gel. I have one here open already, which I'm going to try to finish. So it's right here. You don't need a lot, you just need a little bit. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to jump right into it. I'm so sorry that I'm talking too much. And I just take a little bit like this. Put it on my hair. I don't use a lot because I'm not really going for the hair to be so, and this don't make your hair stiff. You see, it don't make your hair stiff. If you point gun to my head, say make I deny you, I go down and say lie, lie. No be like girl, I go spend all my money on you. Spend a couple million on you. Baby love is they said don't do, yeah. Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, to mommy anytime where I'm singing for you guys because I'm not paying for my video. I'm not getting to do that for copyright songs, and I'm not paying nobody, okay? Because so I got my costume. Let's see how we call it. Heavy. Rubbing scrunchies. Put my rub on my hair. Scrunchies. So my little edges, as you can see, I just go with the same edge control. Guys, this video is 13 minutes long now. So I don't be having no storage whatsoever. I'm not really into the whole baby hair shenanigans. So I'm gonna tie my hair. So the hair do come two in a pack. I'm only gonna be using 3 of it because I want it to be really thick and full. So I'm going to use 3 instead of 4 of it. It'll be too bulky. So I'm going to use just 3. So it comes on a rubber band already like this. Right? Put it under here. See it like this. We got one side on the other side. Like this. Put one side. Cross it over like how the other rubber bands look. So all of them are now together. Okay, so with this one, we'll pass it. We'll pass this one under. If you're getting me, if you're really not getting me, I'm sorry, but yeah, pass it under. We'll release it and we'll tighten it. So now you have your rubber band all in one. Top part. This hair really doesn't require any kind of hairpins and stuff like that. Maybe at the very end. So I go in with it. Around my hair. Okay, so those, our ponytail is in place, and we got our piece of hair right here. We're just gonna wrap this around just to secure the bun and give it that fine finish. Okay, dolls. There. I'll just put it in. Try not to like poke your scalp with it, honeys, because you gotta push the bobby pin upwards, not downwards. Okay, so now we got our, if you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. We have our first rubber band in, and then all we do is, you see that? Just pull it a tiny bit. Just pull it. Just pull it. Don't do it so rough. Just stop. So as you see, as we go down, I'm kind of like making the buns a little smaller because that's the look I'm trying to achieve. And if you haven't seen my ninja bun video, I have it somewhere at the bottom somewhere. Pull it, front to back, back to front, all around till you get your nice bubble. I'm gonna wait till I get all the way to the end. And guys, I always like to get the hair that the ends are kind of finished like this. It's like pre-pulled here. That way you don't have to worry about the ends looking all chapped and not looking so natural. Something will connect you to share my video. Something will connect you to hit that like button, thumbs up button. Something will connect you this year. I'm not playing, no. Something has to connect you. Guys, we are to the end right now, and I'm all the way at the bottom. So I kind of like it open at the bottom, so I'm just leave the bottom open like that. Okay, dolls, so we got our ponytail already, but I'm gonna go in with one more at the top because this is it. Just make our little bubble here. And so guys, something would connect you to click that thumbs up video. Okay, happy new year 2020, baby. It's 2020. 2020, oh, happy new year, Minanta. Oh, because I know what people are watching from Haiti, Nigeria, Liberia, Ghana, so I have to switch their accents. You know what I'm saying? You can't talk just for one person. I love you guys. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. Welcome to your crazy girl world, the God Chain. Okay? Love you guys. Bye-bye.